Hello. So for the last 2 weeks, I've been building a book tracker app for the purpose of learning Angular and C#. I've really been focused on finding as many pain points as I can just to make sure I catch any problems and overcome them. And so I've been building, an app to track which books we have in the house. Currently, just the books and the authors. And so I'm going to create a new author to get started. We'll do that first, and we will put a note. Right, and I will create that contributor, and there we go. We can see I'm added to the list of contributors, and now we're going to add another one. That's perfect, and we will add them. And create them, and then we're going to need to create a book. So we'll add a book, and the book will be called The House at Pooh Corner. I'm going to put this as a Winnie the Pooh book, and it's children's. And for the ISBN, I'm not going to worry too much about it right now, and we'll create the book. So the book has now been created, but it's not associated with an author yet. So I'm going to add an author, and so I'm going to find a dot. That should be enough. That should find me A.A. Milne. So now that's there, and I'm going to add an illustrator. In this case, it's E dot, and that should find me this guy. So I can add this illustrator. And so now that's everything we need to know about the House at Pooh Corner, at least for now. The plan is later to add locations and book copies, but at this point that's all we have. So I can look through the list of books we have. I've just added the House at Pooh Corner. We can filter, and this is done at the back end, right? If I just find books there, we got Mr. Note. Okay, and the contributors as well. We can find contributors, and we can limit by a name. And again, that does go to the back end. And then if I want, I can take one of these books that I've done and find that maybe I've made a mistake somewhere, and so I can edit the details of the book. So let's say it's children's and Teddy's, and we can update the book, and that is now the same, like that's backed up on the back-end server. We can still add illustrators and other things. That's most of what the app does, actually. So I'm going to finish there. Hopefully you found that interesting, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.